Hello everyone and welcome to Primex Void, and today we are going to see how to install the Batman mod. So we will install the skin first and then add few Batman vehicles to our mod. So let's get started. So there are going to be totally 3 files. The first one is the Batman vehicle add-on pack. So this pack contains all the Batman vehicles such as the Tumbler, the Snyder and the Batpod and many more vehicles from the previous Batman series. So as you can see, this file is pretty much large, so I have already downloaded it. And the next file is going to be the Batman skin. So this is not an add-on-ped, we have a different procedure to install a file like this. And the last is the game configuration file. So this file is required whenever we install the add-on cars to a game. So now that we have downloaded all the 3 files, I'm just going to copy them as usual onto my desktop. The next thing is I'm going to extract them. So first we'll start by installing the skin. So since it is not a regular add-on pack, you can open the readme file and you can see the instruction here if you forget how to do this thing. So here it says that we need to copy the content of this Batman folder to this pack. So to do this, we have to open the OpenIV. So in the readme file it says that you need to copy the content to the folder called, just go to mods and there is a folder called updates times 64 DLC pack patch day 3ng. So here is the patch day 3ng, then dlc.rpf times 64 again, models, cd images and patch day 3ng rpf. So we need to just copy the content of that file in this folder. So to do this, first enable the edit mode in the OpenIV, then open this Batman folder, select all the file and just drag them to OpenIV. So we have completed installing the skin now. So next what we are going to do is we are going to add the vehicles. So first you have the folder called script, so need to copy all this content to the script folder of our game. I'm just going to copy them, open my game folder, go to the script and just paste them. Since I already have these files, I'm just going to replace them. And next we are going to copy the folder called, the vehicle. I'll be going inside the folder called vehicles, go to update and traverse inside until you find this folder called Batman. Copy this folder Batman and again go to your game directory. Now just go to the folder called mods, click on update times 64 DLC pack and just paste it in this directory. So after we have copied the respective folder, we need to change few configuration file that could be done only using the OpenIV. So open the OpenIV, go to the folder called mod, update, update.rpf, common, data, and you need to just drag 2 files, that is extra title update data.meta, just drag it to your desktop. And the second file is the dclist.xml. So you need to make few changes to these 2 files and again drag them over to OpenIV. So go to the vehicle folder and you'll be having a readme file. So here you can see that in the folder called extra title.metadata, you need to copy these 3 lines. So just copy and open this file in the edit mode. So you can see there is a bunch of code written in this file. So you just need to paste below the last items. So just paste it. You can align them by clicking tab. So once you're done, save this file. And the second thing which we need to configure is the DLC.xml. So you need to add this line at the last of this file. So copy this file, copy this line. Now open this DLC list. Just right click and edit so that it could be open in Notepad, and you have to paste it over here. File and save it. So once you save the file, you need to just drag these two modified files. Just select them all and drag it. Okay, before that you need to enable the edit mode. So again select both the files and drag them to the OpenIV. So once we are done, we have extracted the game configuration file. So this is the game configuration file. You just need to drag it in the same manner. So once you are completed replacing these files, close the OpenIV and we can check out the game. So guys, let's see how the Batman mod is gonna work. So first we'll be selecting the skin. So as I told you before, it was not a regular add-on ped. You cannot select the ped using the Ped-Selector. So to get the skin, you do have to go to the basic trainer menu, click on the model spawning, and there select spawn ped by model name. So here you can give the model name of your ped to get the skin. So the model name which we saved our Batman was A_M_Y_RUNNER runner _01. So when you click and press enter, you can see that we have got our Batman skin. So this Batman is from the Batman Arkham Game series, and if you require, like if you want the different Batman such as the Ben Affleck Batman or the Dark Knight series Batman, there are many add-on ped available on the internet. You can just go on and install using the regular Ped-Selector. So now that we have got the Batman skin, I'll show you how to get the vehicles. So to do that, you'll be going to the basic trainer again. Click on the vehicle spawning. So after that, you need to select spawn vehicle by model name. So in our in our vehicle folder, there was a readme file, and that listed various model names that could be spawned using this thing, the basic trainer. So first I'll be spawning the base, my favorite, the Snyder. So I'll be typing SNYDER. So when I click OK, you can see that we have got the Batmobile or the Snyder from the BVS. The color doesn't look quite the same. So to change the color, you can go to the vehicle options, vehicle library menu, and you can change the color from here. So it was this color actually. So this is the Batmobile. So we can just check it out. It can shoot guns, I guess. So yes, it can, and it is pretty good. So this was the Batmobile from the BVS, which was released this year. It is quite good, very smooth. It's really good. Feels like actual Batman. So let's check out another vehicle. So that would be the Dark Knight's Tumbler. So I'll be going to the vehicle spawning, spawn vehicle by model name, and I'll be typing the name Tumbler, UMBLER. So here you'll be getting the Dark Knight's Tumbler. So let's test it out, and it can also shoot guns, I guess. Wait, let me check. Oh yes, it can. It's actually machine guns. It's pretty good. It's not that stable, I guess. It doesn't stay on the ground. So before the cops kill me, let me enable the guard mode. And we'll check out one of my favorite thing, that is the Batpod from the Dark Knight series again. I'm sorry. I have to go to wait, is Batpod. So here is our Batpod, and it is pretty nice. So you can see it's quite good. And it's fast. Whoa. Yeah, that was the reason I did that. So the next cool feature we have here is the Batwing. Oh my god. Sorry guys, my game just got crashed, and I guess it is quite usual when you work with a mod. So I'm just gonna show you the Batwing. So to get the Batwing you have to do the same thing. Oh, I spelled it wrong. So here we have is the Batwing. So it flies. Yeah, so we have the Batwing here. It looks quite good from the front, and it can fly also. So if you like to fly in GTA, you can use this Batwing to fly around. But I don't like flying, so I'm just gonna get down. Oh, I just got ejected from my Batwing, and it's still flying. Okay, fine. So next we're going to try out the Batmobile, I guess, from the game series, that is Batman Arkham Asylum. So to get that you have to just type Asylum, ASYLUM. So this is the Batmobile which is featured in the Batman Arkham Asylum game. So oh wow, it has a booster. So this is quite nice. So there are many add-on. So there are many vehicles. You also have the classic Batman from 1966. To get that, you have to just type BM66. So you have the classic Batman's car or Batmobile. You also have the Batmobile of the Batman Batman movie 1989. To get that you have to just type 1989. So this was really classic, let me tell you. It was my first favorite Batmobile because it was the first movie I saw of the Batmans, and it does also some shooting works. So let us find something to shoot.
This ain't a racetrack, man.
We have a car coming up. It's not that powerful, I guess. So thank you guys, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.